see that?
Yeah.
Almost wiped out. We are at the brand new Moynihan Train Hall, which is where we're taking our Amtrak to our next destination. Honestly, this is all coming together so last minute. We booked this yesterday, but we are heading to...
We're going to Boston, baby!
We bought our tickets in advance online, although not too far in advance, because if you do buy them 2 weeks ahead of time, you do get an extra 25% off. However, we're not standing in the line here behind me, which is a major plus. It looks like it's moving so slow, and we can just go straight to the ticketed waiting area where we wait for our train to be announced what track it's gonna be on, which is gonna be about 15 minutes before it leaves, and that's in an hour from now. So we're a little early, but better early than late.
So the waiting area here at Amtrak is actually really, really nice. Spaced out so everybody can kind of socially distance. There's plugs everywhere, so people are charging their phones, and we're getting some work done, which is a bonus.
Track is on the left-hand side, track 7. You're welcome.
We just got our boarding call, and this place filled up really fast.
This is insane. All these people are going on the same train as us.
That's crazy.
Are we able to move seats? It's been so crowded since we got on. We actually had to sit separate from each other. Everybody wants the window seats with the outlets, but at New Haven, a lot of people got off, so we get to sit together now.
Finally.
And we can actually see out the window, which is nice. We are riding through Connecticut right now, and it is so cute. All these cute little like harbors and beaches, and oh, it just looks so nice out there.
Surprised you're still on the train.
I honestly thought about getting off. Still have about an hour left until we get into Boston, and I am so hungry. There's a cafe on board, but I don't think walking on a moving train is really my specialty. Luckily, we have power here and some Wi-Fi. It's not the best because I'm sure there's a ton of people on it, but we are able to get a lot of work done. Just finished up our very first train ride together. We went from New York to Boston, and the ride was so beautiful. We were lucky enough to get a window seat most of the way, and just looking out the window, I got pretty distracted from my work.
Not me. But the rocking of the train definitely put me to sleep, so I guess I kind of got distracted from my work.
It was such a fun experience though, and I'm so glad we were able to take the train. It was so easy and convenient, and we are walking to our hotel and stopping by a recommended Chinese restaurant on the way. So I've been craving Chinese for the past like week.
It
It is currently 6 p.m. and it feels like 2 in the afternoon and like 2 in the morning at the same time. It's still very bright out, which is the 2 in the afternoon, but I am so tired right now. I feel like I've just been up for like 48 hours. So we are going to scarf down this food quite literally and probably go to bed. But if you liked going on the train with us today, please hit the like button as many times as you can. We appreciate every single one of them equally. And if you want to stamp your passport with us again,
make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
good night.
If you purchase them 2 weeks ahead of time, you get a